Sensei, you're mocking me. You ordered me to hear the sound of one hand clapping. I've been hitting the air all day, but all I hear is the whistling wind. It's impossible. The world is made of two parts hitting each other. Without a struggle, there is no sound. Without effort, there is no result.
Your mistake is that you are looking for the sound on the outside.
Where else should I look? My hand is empty. My life is empty. I am a failure who can't even clap.
The sound of two hands is conflict. It is the noise of your thoughts and your battles with the past. The sound of one hand is the silence within you. It is the still point where the universe begins.
But silence is nothing. How can I hear nothing?
As long as you try to hear, you only create noise. Stop trying. Become the sound itself.
I hear it. It's not a sound for the ears. It's the sound of my entire existence.
Now you know. True power is not in the strike, but in the silence that stands behind it. Silence. Write the word silence in the comments if you are ready to stop fighting the world and find peace within. Subscribe if you are ready to drop your stone and finally straighten your back. And if this story lightened your path today, treat Sensei to a tea via the link in the description. Your lightness is the greatest wisdom. Carry only light in your hands.